Welcome to a new VideosAbout test where we will put face to face the best phones of the moment, Samsung Galaxy S9 and Apple iPhone X. We will do this after installing the latest updates, mostly for Snapdragon, and trying to see which is slower, how fast the applications are released, the benchmark results, and how stable they are in the end. Will the updates change the initial ranking? First, a quick look to compare sizes. These are the official specs. Both are on discount now, at Samsung because they declared poor sale and at Apple because it has a much higher price than the rest of the competition that wins the market at much lower prices. Now let's start the test with a simple task. Let's close the phones. Let's start the phones now. The results are the same. Now let's open some simple apps, Play Store and App Store. Now let's start the camera apps, and I will remind you that the Galaxy S9 has been promoted as having the best camera over the level of competition. Both camera apps started very fast. Clock app. No differences here. Now let's turn to the pre-installed internet browser, Safari for Apple and Samsung Internet. Let's see the most popular apps, Instagram and Facebook, then Skype and Twitter. For accuracy, both phones are connected to the same wireless router. 3 out of 4 were won by Samsung. The Amazon app, which is very popular now, goes to the Galaxy S9. Going into games side, and let's start with the classic Angry Birds First Edition. And a clear win for iPhone here. Angry Birds 2 has created some problems for Samsung, and initially I thought it was stuck. Note the huge difference in game loading. Oh wow! Asphalt 8 Airborne went very smooth, a little faster for iPhone at starting the game, but loading a race is similar for both, as you can see here. With Super Mario Run we had a surprise. It went okay on startup, then suddenly, after another try, it worked, but it is a big fail for Samsung. Let's go to another classic endless runner, Sonic Dash. A clear win for iPhone X, as Galaxy S9 is loading quite slow, although the game is running smoothly on both devices. Now let's test the internet and start with YouTube. Easy win for S9. Now let's open in 4K video, same for both. Let's see which one opens a web page faster. First, the official Samsung website. Of course S9 wins. Now the official Apple website. Obviously iPhone wins. No surprise here. Now in simple informational website and then a more complex multimedia website. Samsung is a little faster on the last one, and the up and down scroll is also much faster. Let's do a speed test. Both are connected to the same wireless router. Although Samsung started very well this test, will finish in second place at download and slightly better on upload. Same results if we change the server. Now, we will benchmark with Antutu. Even if it's the same app, it is configured differently for the iPhone X and with fewer tests, and running it takes half of its time against the Galaxy S9. The results are amazing. A massive 245,085 points for the Samsung Galaxy S9 and 189,278 for iPhone X. I have to confess that during the test this gap did not seem to be obvious. Let's draw a conclusion. Basic applications started on both phones equally. Even so, Samsung earns 16 to 13 tests against Apple. In addition, it remained with all the applications in the background and with more than 1.1 gigabytes of memory than the 302 mega on the iPhone. But this does not make it a much better device. Even if the games are played perfectly, it lacks the power to load them fast. Then, during tests, the app that supervises all apps, Google Play Services, has crashed. Then it runs very fast online, but on a test with multiple devices connected to the same router, it remains among the last. Overall, Galaxy S9 is the most advanced smartphone I've tested, and the dual-edge curved screen is now best in color reproduction, accuracy, brightness and sharpness. If you enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel on the description down below.